Don't let my food thaw out. Let my food be cooked the right motherfucking way. Everything is well done with me. I don't like shit that's cooked too fast. But all in all, I like an original bitch. I don't like these motherfucking made up motherfuckers. Mrs. Potato Head motherfuckers. I like real women. Real bitches. Real everything. I rarely eat Hot Pockets. I can't. I hate microwave food. If you know what I mean. Okay. I like real women. You can be fat. You can be lopsided. You can be every motherfucking thing. I don't give a fuck. You a woman, you got me. All that extra shit going to get your body done. I don't got nothing against it. That's you. That's your body. If you want your ass sitting up like motherfucking, what the name is, Mr. Krabs on SpongeBob, that's on you. If you want your ass drop down like a motherfucking teardrop when you hit motherfucking 52, that's on you. But it ain't gonna be on me, because I don't like it. You hold going to see Dr. Miami destroying your originality. That's your motherfucking fault, bitch. You ain't eat right. That's your motherfucking fault. You ain't exercise. You always want to take the motherfucking short route of getting a productive body. A productive body is going to the fucking gym. Not going to the doctor transferring your fat. That fat was supposed to be right where it motherfucking belongs, and you're going to take it and push it somewhere else. If God made it right there, why the fuck you moving it? That's what I mean when I say I like my food well done. Which I mean is I don't like microwave bitches. I don't want to look up one day you're not looking so good, next day bing, bitch, you all of a sudden done. Like, bitch, how can from going to not liking you to liking you? And niggas be on the corner. Damn, boy. That bitch was so ugly. I don't get it. That bitch was so ugly, boy. Man, that bitch fine in the bitch now. I don't know what happened. Boy, that bitch when he got the ass done. That means you nigga a fucking motherfucking plastic doll. Perverts. Real shit. I hate microwave bitches. What if a nigga rent him some muscles or some shit? Nigga, I need to go rent me a motherfucking 6-pack, goddammit. Then you find out when I get home, I take that 6-pack off and my chest off and my titties sag, no leg muscles, no nothing. How would you feel, bitch? Same thing. Y'all taking that weave out y'all head, taking that makeup off y'all shit. It's the same shit. I think we need to go start doing shit like that. I already done started off niggas goddamn getting a little fake hair transplant. Toupee wig on the top of their head. Feel me? I hate microwave bitches. What if we be microwave niggas? You know what I'm saying? Y'all tricking us. That ain't fair. Y'all trying to trick us, but bitch, I be touching your hair. Bitch, I kiss you on your forehead, bitch. I kiss you right on your eyelash, goddamn, and see if your eyebrow gonna come off. You feel me? I'm into doing shit like that. I am. Cause I don't like that shit.